Hi, my name is Thomas Fuquay. I'm 26 years old and live in beautiful Hawaii on the island of Fuquay. And I'm the sous chef here at Lighthouse Bistro. America's definitely going to love watching me on Hell's Kitchen. That was good, right? I've been cooking for 6 years professionally. I started off in a little red sauce Italian place, washing dishes and delivering pizzas, and then worked my way up, got into some different places, Creole restaurants, mostly small, family-owned, not really big on corporate. You know, I love the family aspect of cooking and bringing everyone together in a small setting. When I was a little boy, I spent a lot of time with my grandmother Marjorie, who my daughter is actually named after, and the first cooking memory I have about food and why I'm in love with it right now is she taught me how to make pan-fried chicken in a cast iron, the way you're supposed to do it in the South. She's an old tobacco farm girl from North Carolina, and she taught me how to make the best fried chicken ever, and to this day I make it the same way she taught me how to make it when I was a little boy, and that will always be my favorite dish. Fried chicken, mashed potatoes, and collard greens. I might live in Hawaii, but you know, I'm a southern boy at heart. This is the Lighthouse Bistro. This is where all the magic happens. So you can come down here. There's a bar. Go out to Thomas. I think he'd be a great person to go on this show and compete. He's very competitive. His food's excellent. And good luck, Thomas. But I haven't got a stitch to. It doesn't feel like work. That's why I do it, because I have fun when I'm in the kitchen, and when I go home, I don't feel like I worked hard every day, and I love it. Complexity when the leather runs smooth on the passenger seat. I would go out tonight, but I haven't got a stitch to wear. This man said it's gruesome that someone so handsome should care. A jumped up country boy knew his place. He said, return the ring. He knows so much about these things. He knows so much about these things. I would go out tonight, but I haven't got a stitch to wear. This man said I like to utilize, you know, local products, farm to table. It's the best. You just go to the farmer, get everything you need for dinner. You know, I got some time to put in my garden I got going right now. It's the best part about living in Hawaii. And the produce and local proteins. Oh, it's definitely my little daughter right here. I want to do this for her. I want to ensure her future, and you know, I want to be able to pay for college or culinary school, whatever she wants to do. 1, 2, 3.
When the leather runs smooth on the passenger seat.
Anthony Bourdain. He's my hero. I read Kitchen Confidential when I was in college, and it's actually the book that made me drop out of college and work online. And I just cook for your guy, he says.
A drummed-up country boy who never knew.
I have the passion, drive, and knowledge to beat my competitors and to win Hell's Kitchen. Oh, I'm not worried of Chef Ramsay at all. I've worked for a lot of crazy head chefs and had things thrown at me, plates broken, and food exploding, and you know, nothing scares me. And you know, I know a lot of people say that, but not all talk. You can give me your best.